Hello, my dear foodies! Welcome to our friend's Tasty Kitchen. Today's recipe is Rajahmundry Special SriKanya restaurant style famous Chicken Fry Piece Biryani. It is known for its extraordinary taste and flavor. Chicken is stir-fried here and not deep-fried. I'm sure everyone will fall in love with this biryani as it tastes divine and it's my all-time favorite biryani. Let's get started with the process. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. The first step involves the chicken marination. This is 1 kg washed and cleaned chicken with bone. Add 2 tablespoons lime juice, 1 cup curd, 1 tablespoon salt, 2 tablespoons red chili powder, half tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon garam masala, half teaspoon cardamom powder. Combine everything together. Keep this marinade in refrigerator for 1 hour or more. The next step is the rice preparation. Take a pressure cooker, add half cup oil and 4 tablespoon ghee. Now add few cinnamon sticks, 8 to 9 cardamom, 9 to 10 black peppercorns, 3 to 4 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon shajira. Once the spices are sauteed, add 1 cup thinly sliced onions. Saute the onions. Now add 9 to 10 cashews, few curry leaves, add half cup ginger garlic paste, four to 5 green chilies, 1 cup mint leaves, 1 cup coriander leaves and saute them. Add 1 finely chopped tomato, salt to taste and combine everything. This is 1 kg basmati rice which I have washed and soaked in water for 1 hour. Add 4 cups of water and combine well. Adding 1 cup of milk makes it rich in color and enhances the taste. Close the lid and pressure cook for only 1 whistle. Ta-da! Biryani rice is ready now. It's looking lovely and the aroma of spices blended with the rice is too tempting for anyone. Now let's start the chicken fry process. Take a kadai, add 1 cup oil, 1 large onion chopped. Saute until the raw smell goes away. Now add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Saute them. Add few curry leaves. Please don't skip this, it's very important. Add 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1 tablespoon coriander cumin powder, now add the marinated chicken, add coriander leaves. Combine everything together, keeping the flame on high. Now add half cup water. Adding red food color is optional and it's everyone's personal choice. Cover the lid and keep on medium-low flame and cook for 20 minutes. Top it up with coriander and curry leaves. Cover and cook again in low flame for 10 minutes or until the chicken is cooked. The chicken must be dried without any moisture. Chicken fry is ready now. Serve the hot biryani on a fancy plate with chicken fry piece on the top. Cool raita on the side. Enjoy this delicious and lip-smacking chicken fry piece biryani with your family and have a happy weekend. Don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. Once again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel with the bell button. Okay guys, see you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.